Alright, the new Bluetooth Verroo smart controller with compact electric strike, operated by Bluetooth. Door's locked. Open the app. Connecting. And it unlock. Strike releases. And we're in. It's now locked again. After 5 seconds, you set it to whatever you want. It's connected to the controller in here. It's flashing blue because it's connected to Bluetooth. The phone's in range. Pretty easy fit for any good locksmith. It's just one extra cable that you run through here, for me anyway. I've done a fair bit of this in the past. So there's a cable that runs from the strike here to the controller, which is where the brains are. You could fit these externally, I can't see why not, but just with the weather I thought I'd fit it outside for this one. So demonstrating again the strike, so go back to my lock. And that then unlocks the solenoid. Locked, so I'll shut the door. This was a concrete frame, a little bit harder to fit, so we're locked again. Phone. And we are open. Let us know if you want one.